In this presentation, we will show you how to use our data diodes. We have the data diode USB in and data diode USB out. Assuming you wanted to send some files from machine A to machine B in a unidirectional way so that information in machine B protected through the connection. In this slide, we will show you how you can our data diode USB in for that purpose. Connect the data diode USB into the USB port of the target machine, in this case, machine B. The target machine is where the files are to be received. Next, connect the Ethernet port of the data diode USB into the Ethernet port of the source machine, in this example, machine A. The source machine is where the files will be sent. Load the target machine with our data diode receiver application and also create a folder to store the received files. Load the source machine with our data diode sender application and also create a folder to hold the files to be sent. Run the applications on both machines. Now, we are ready to transfer files. Copy a file into the source machine's sender folder. Once the file is copied, the sender application will send the file through the Ethernet port of the source machine using UDP protocol to the Ethernet port of the data diode USB in. The target machine's receiver application will then receive the file from the data diode USB in via the USB port. The file received is stored in the receiver folder. In the next slide, we will show you how to use our data diode USB out device if you intend to transfer files from machine A to B while protecting machine A from malicious attacks. Connect our data diode USB out device to the USB port of the source machine, in this case, machine A. The source machine is sending the files to the target machine or machine B. Connect the Ethernet port of the data diode USB out to the Ethernet port of the target machine. Load our data diode sender application in the source machine and our data diode receiver application in the target machine. Run both applications and we are now ready to send and receive files. Copy a file into the sender's folder of the source machine. The data diode sender application will send the file to the USB port of the data diode out device. The target machine's receiver application will then receive the file via the Ethernet port connection through UDP protocol. The file received is stored in the target machine's receiver folder. In the following slides, we will show you how the data diode USB in and USB out can be deployed together. This way, machine A and machine B are both protected from external malicious attacks. Connect the data diode USB out to the source machine and data diode USB into the target machine. Connect the data diodes USB in and USB out via the Ethernet connection. Load the source machines with our data diode sender application and target machine with our data diode receiver application. Run both applications and now we are ready to send and receive files. Copy a file into the sender folder of the source machine. The data diode sender application will now transfer the file via the USB port of the data diode USB out. The data diode USB out will send the file via Ethernet connection using UDP protocol to the Ethernet port of the data diode USB in. The target machine's receiver application will now receive the file from the data diode USB in through the USB port and stores the received file in the receiver folder. We hope the video presentation is useful and applicable in your environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in our product, please contact us at info@encryptiontechnology.com. Please also watch our other videos demonstration on how to set up our data diodes and network encryptor products.